Hello students, this is your science class and the topic today which we are going to study is aquatic and land habitat from the chapter Environment and Feeding Relationship, page 40 of the book Journal Science. Today we will be discussing the adaptation in different habitats, aquatic and land habitats. So first of all we will see what are the adaptation. An adaptation is a change in an organism body or behavior or the structure that helps it to survive in its habitat. So now we will see what are the adaptation in the aquatic habitats. As we can see that aquatic plants, they have floating leaves and submerged roots so that they can receive the sunlight easily and prepare their own food. The examples are water hyacinth, duckweed. Some plants have waxy covering on them which prevent the water from collecting on them. Aquatic plants, they have streamlined body shape which help them to easily wade through water, as we can see that in fishes. Some animals have webbed feet that work like oars and help them to move easily through water, like ducks, seagulls and frog. Similarly, there are certain adaptation in land habitat animals and plants as well. There are variety of animals and plants on land. So we will discuss the different animals and plants in different ecosystems. First of all, the animals which are present in the polar region, like polar bears, they have thick fur, thick coat, feathers on their bodies, which help them to keep warm in the freezing cold. The example are polar bear, snowy owl, and Arctic fox. Similarly, the animals in the desert region, they have large feet and stomach which help them to conserve water. The best example is of camels. Plants in the deserts have thick surfaces, tough outer surface and spiny leaves which help them to prevent the excess loss of water through evaporation. The example are cacti and euphorbia. Animals which are present in the rainforest, they can send and receive message to other members of the group using sounds. Examples are roars of lions and howling of wolves. In this way they will communicate with each other. Plants in the rainforest, they tend to grow tall to get the sunlight. As we know that there is thick vegetation in the rainforest. Questions related to these topics. The first question is define adaptation. First of all, we will put the heading of definition. An adaptation is a change in the organism body or behavior that helps it to survive in its habitat. Next long question. Describe adaptation of some aquatic plants and animals to live in their habitat. First of all, we will discuss the adaptation in the aquatic animals. Streamlined body is an adaptation for animals to move easily through the water. Example, webbed feet of ducks, seagulls, frogs work like oars to help them moving through the water. Aquatic plants, floating leaves, submerged roots, waxy covering on leaves prevent water from collecting on these. Examples are water hyacinth and duckweed. Next question is describe adaptation of some land habitat animals and plants. First of all, we will discuss the animals which are in the polar region. Thick fur, coat of feathers on their bodies. Example, polar bear, snowy owl, Arctic fox. Animal in the deserts have large feet and large stomach. In desert animal, example, camel. Plants in the desert have tough, thick surface, spiny leaves to reduce water loss. Example is cactus. Animals in the rainforest, animals send and receive message using sound, roars of lion and howling of wolves.